Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub, and in this video, I'm going to be doing a speed test between Xiaomi's Mi A2 and the Asus ZenFone 5Z. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Mi A2 sports a Snapdragon 660 processor with Adreno 512 GPU, while the Asus ZenFone 5Z sports a Snapdragon 845 processor with Adreno 630 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Purely based on raw performance, Asus 5Z is definitely better, but let's see how much of a difference we can see on side-by-side comparison. Now for the regular speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time, and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it exactly is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. So in the speed test, Asus 5Z is the winner. With that said, Mi A2 is also doing a pretty good job. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Now let's see how they perform. Now coming to memory management, it is good on both phones and both phones are able to keep all apps in memory. So I'll call this round as a tie. Now for the last speed test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. Now while opening games, Asus 5Z was noticeably faster as expected. So guys, on the whole, in terms of performance, Asus 5Z is definitely the winner, but the difference between 5Z and Mi A2 isn't that huge. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub signing off. Have a nice day.